Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Science 1 chapter, that is chapter number 4, Effects of Electric Current. So, there are few things, few concepts which we should know before reading the lesson. Okay, so let's start. Namaskar. Hi. So, today we are going to see effects of electric current. So, effects means the impact. In Hindi it is asar. Electric current, we also call it as power, energy, electrical energy. So you are very much thorough with electric current, what it is and how it is used. The student should also know what is good conductor of electricity. Good conductor of electricity means the conductor, the object that support to the electric current flow. That is called good conductor of electricity. Example, iron, copper, aluminium. So they are good conductor of electricity. Insulator. Insulator means which are not good conductor of electricity. Example, wood, plastic. They are resistance. They are resistant and they stop the current to flow, okay, through them. So that is why they are called as insulator. And that is the reason in every current wire you will find that inside there is a good conductor and outside the good conductor, the wire is winded. The wire is wound with the insulators. Means there is a covering of plastic so that it does not allow the current to flow outside. That will cause shock to someone. So that is why insulator means which resist the current, which stops the current. Okay. Going further, resistance means to stop, as I said, to stop or control. Electric power, that means electric energy. Even when we are doing something, so if we are doing some work, we are using our physical energy. So when some work is done by electricity, so we are using electric energy for completing that work. Okay. So what is watt? W-A-T-T, watt. Watt is a unit. Watt is a unit which is used to measure the current or power. Now 1 watt means how much? If somebody asks you what is the watt, you can say that 1 watt means 1 joule of electric work done. If some work is done, that means 1 joule, 1 unit of work. एक particular काम हुआ electricity के जरिए, that means 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. That is called 1 watt. Clear? So formula goes this way. 1 watt equals to 1 joule upon 1 second. 1 joule of work done, electric work done in 1 second is called 1 watt. Next, commercial unit of electric energy. Now when we are talking about commercial things, commercial means all money related or transaction related in practical life when we use electric current units. So it is not measured in small quantities, it is measured in big quantity, that is kilowatt per hour. Okay, so kilowatt hours. So because we cannot take small unit in practical life because the consumption of the energy is more. So what is one unit of kilowatt per hour? The value for kilowatt per hour is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Remember, it can come in fill in the blanks. 1 kWh means 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Remember this. Coming further, 1000 watt means how much? 1000 watt means 1 kilowatt. Let's take an example. 1000 gram means 1 kilogram. Clear? So like that, 1000 watt equals to 1 kilowatt. This is how we use the electrical unit energy in our practical life. Next is, dear students, you might have come across the electricity bill. The electricity bill which we pay monthly to the electricity board. Okay, MSEB, Mahadiscom, all these are electricity board authorities to which we are paying bills because we are consuming the energy, the electrical energy given by them. Okay. So electricity bill comes and it shows the units of the current used per month. So 1 kilowatt per hour is the unit. Okay, 1 unit used for particular meter or particular house. That is 1 unit. And according to that, cost of electricity is used. So this is how it is described. It is charged. If we are using the electricity, so we'll be getting the bills. So those bills are made using this unit of electricity use or consumption. So 1 unit of energy, according to our electricity bill, 1 unit of energy used means, अगर हम बोलते हैं कितना यूनिट आया आपके मीटर में, हर महीना आपके मीटर का यूनिट चेक किया जाता है, फिर आपकी बिल आता है, तो उस बिल का 1 यूनिट मतलब कितना? It's 1 kilowatt electricity energy used in an hour. Okay, in an hour, 1 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt electricity used in 1 hour is 1 unit of our electricity bill. Clear? Let's go further. Next is resistor or conductor. Resistor or conductor, as I said, conductor means that supports electricity or through which the electricity flows. Resistor means same. Now what is the difference? Suppose iron is a good conductor of electricity, but it may not support as much as copper. So it is also kind of resistor. Aluminum may support electricity, but it may not be equally supporting as copper. So some good conductors are comparatively resistors also. So this is why? Because they are resisting some amount of electricity to flow in them. That is why they are called as resistors. They are good conductor of electricity. That is why the current can flow with them. But still they are resistors because they are also stopping the current to flow completely or in more quantity. Suppose there is a wire and the current is flowing through it. So when the current is flowing through it, what happens around the current, that means the area around the current flow, when the wire is there and the current is passing, so the area around the wire will be having a magnetic field. Because of the flow of the current, there will be a magnetic field generated. मतलब एक वायर है, अगर उसमें से करंट पास किया जाता है तो करंट के जाते वक्त आजू बाजू में भी करंट का एक एरिया क्रिएट हो जाता है, रोटेशनल। वो दिखता नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे कि अगर हम यहाँ पर एक आग जलाएं, इफ वी बर्न अ फायर ओवर हियर, तो इसकी गर्मी सिर्फ आग तक, उसके फ्लेम तक नहीं है, उसके आजू बाजू में भी है, राइट। तो जो बिना टच वाली जो इनविजिबल एरिया कवर हो रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फील्ड। फील्ड मीन्स एरिया। तो वहां पर मैग्नेटिज्म मीन्स व्हाट, इफ यू कम इन दिस कॉन्टेक्ट, आग जल रही है, आग की लपटें कहीं दूर तक नहीं जा रही है, लेकिन उसकी गर्मी जा रही है। तो जितने एरिया में गर्मी जा रही है, अगर कोई उसके अंदर एंट्री मारेगा तो वो मैग्नेटिज्म, मतलब उसको एहसास होगा कि गर्मी है। सिमिलरली, if the current is flowing through the wire and somebody comes and brings something which is good conductor of electricity, so we will feel that there is a current magnetic field around the wire. So this was first discovered by the scientist whose name is Hans Christian Ørsted. Hans Christian Ørsted. So the unit for magnetic field, एक नई चीज का उन्होंने खोज किया कि करंट के अंदर से ही मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्रिएट होती है वायर के आसपास। तो सबसे पहले उन्होंने इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को एक यूनिट का नाम दिया। यूनिट मतलब जब भी हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को मेजर करेंगे तो उसका एक यूनिट होना चाहिए। तो हैंस क्रिश्चियन ऑर्स्टेड ने एक यूनिट बनाया, यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, और उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को नाम दिया गया ऑर्स्टेड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, ऑर्स्टेड यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। नेक्स्ट इज राइट हैंड थंब रूल। In your textbook, you will find that a hand is like this. Okay. So what does it denotes? It denotes that if you hold your hand like this thumb is showing the direction of the current. ऐसा हाथ रखने का बस एक तरीका बताया गया है कि राइट हैंड थंब रूल क्या कहता है। अगर आप ऐसा हाथ रखते हो, मतलब ये वायर है, तो करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, दिस इज डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट। फिर आपकी जो फिंगर्स है वो कर्व हो रही है, दे आर कर्लिंग अराउंड, ऐसे मुड़ रही है। सो लुक हियर, देयर, सो अराउंड योर फिंगर्स, दैट मींस अराउंड द वायर देयर इज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्रिएटेड। देयर इज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड योर thumb, that is around the wire. This thumb shows the direction of the current. Finger shows, other fingers, the turned finger, the curled finger shows that magnetic field around the wire. So thumb shows the direction of the current, finger shows the magnetic field. So these were the few things which you may find when you read the book. We read the lesson, you will find that these words are there. So I have explained you what does that exactly mean. And in short, in brief, if you know this much, so I guarantee that you will be having the confidence of achieving 2 to 3 marks overall in this chapter. Why? Because this is 50% of the chapter. So next 50%, I'll get it to you in the next video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep reading, keep learning.